Hello everybody, Smiley back again. I'm back with a retail basketball break. I get two blaster boxes of 2019-20 Panini NBA Hoops, and this is the winter edition. You do get one autograph and mem card, exactly as a regular Hoops blaster. And it says look for exclusive winter parallels and winter blaster exclusive rookie jumbo mem cards. Get 88 cards per box, pretty decent value there. So let's go ahead and open these up. I actually just found one, discounted one for last year, so I'll be opening that up soon. Let's see what it looked like this year. I don't mind this if they do it in a small print run. I do like how Topps up their ante there. They put the short prints in the baseball ones this year, so they just added a little thing to the baseball. So let's see what the basketball looks like right now. Alright, pack one. So Dwayne Wade tribute. It's got the little snowflakes, kind of hard to see on the background really. And snow there. Culver base rookie. Collins, Klay Thompson. Get out of the way, Kevin Knox. Jeff Green and Oubre. So they're not overly done, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You think they need to do a little bit more? I mean, it's got the white on the top and the bottom, and the snowflake. Silva base rookie, Kobe tribute. Lou Williams, Hardaway. Some of them stand out better, just if it's got a darker background. I think it stands out a little better. Richardson. We got Culver, class of 2019 rookie. Rose and Aldridge. Did really well with the base hoops. I had a nice PJ Washington auto out of one of mine. Kyle Guy, base rookie. There we go. Speaking of them, PJ Washington Jr. base. Callaway, Harris, Parsons, Donovan Mitchell. Keep that eye out for the. I haven't seen what the winter parallels look like yet. Hopefully the foil is different or something. Nick Claxton, Hunter base. Green, Porter, Luak now arriving. I do like these rookie inserts. Ross and Jones. Porter, Zubac, Courtney Lee, Trey Young. Oh, we get an autograph? Yes, we did. Kendrick Williams. Nice job on the auto. Very nice. Compared to a lot of guys, that's a really nice looking auto. For the Pelicans. Alright. Ben Simmons, lights, camera, action insert. Wiggins, Bogdanovich. Lillard, Martin rookie base. Trey Young, Rozier, Vince Carter, Robinson, Van Vliet. Millsap, Schleck, base rookie. Hunter, tribute rookie. Gordon, Chris Dunn, frequent flyers, Ben Simmons. Fultz and Ariza. Base rookie. Porzingis. Get out of the way, John Collins. And base. Alright, 3 more packs from Blaster 1. Looking for that winter parallel. Poole, base rookie. Tucker, Horton Tucker, base rookie. Oh, that's a purple rookie. Mule. Nice. It's got a little bit purple on the bottom. Smith. Karl Malone, tribute. Waters, base rookie. Porter Jr. Lights, camera, action. Lowry. Alright, last pack of Blaster 1. Seems like a lot of cards. KZ. Oni base. Barkley. I can't see how the cards are all switched around. Langford arriving now. But he'll. Alright, Blaster 2. Lucked out with the auto in 1. Let's see if we can get a back-to-back autos. At least get that jumbo jersey. Alright, pack 1, Blaster 2. Malone, Waters base. Hero, class of 2019. Obamba and Parker. Another KZ rookie. Exact same pack. Wow. Trae Young likes camera action. Looks that's different. Count it down. Beautiful pack. RJ Barrett, there we go. Base rookie. Chris Paul, Levine, Butler, Robinson, and John Wall. Roby, base rookie. Brandon Clark, rookie. Luka. Diallo, get out of the way. Booker and Middleton. Feels like a thick pack. Yes, let's see if we got a jumbo. At least a jumbo. Let's bring these up to the front. We got Langford, class of 2019. Kobe White, tribute rookie. Dragic, Drummond, Allen, and Harold, rookie remembrance. Not the best one in that one. It's not that big of a patchy jersey either. Alright, let's see if we get a nice number, low number rookie parallel or something out of the rest. John Morant, there we go. Nicely. Start to warm up. Let's see if we see that Zion guy. Crowder, Baca, Aaron Gordon, Rui, tribute rookie, Spoon, Get Smart, arriving now, Reddish. These look really nice in foil, the foil ones. Johnson rookie, Man rookie, Victor Oladipo likes camera action, Dirk White, and Schroeder. Alexander Walker, Blake Griffin, JJ Redick. Alright, 2 more packs. Let's get a Zion on one of the last 2 packs here. Noel rookie. We got frequent flyers Bridges, Lopez, and Cantor. Alright, last pack. Iverson, Garland, base rookie. Beasley, Brown, Donovan Mitchell, get out of the way. Jordan, and Green. Alright, let me put stuff together. We're going to take a quick recap of the break. Alright, bet inserts ended up with 4 lights camera action, including Trae Young, Ben Simmons. Get out of the way, ended up with 4 of those. Frequent flyers ended up with 2, Bridges and Simmons. Now, to do say all the inserts, I did not pull any foils. I don't know if you can get foil winter parallels in these or not. I'll be interested to see some more breaks to see if you can get the foils, because some of the foils I like a lot. So if you can't get those and these, I might not buy any more, but we'll see. Ended up with 31 base rookies, so I'm looking around right on 15, 16 per blaster. Nice one there. Tribute rookies ended up with 3. Class of 2019 also ended up with 3, including that hero. My favorite inserts, these in foil look really nice. I have only pulled 1 so far out of retail. So I got a Cam Reddish arriving now, pretty nice. Langford. Purple parallels, I think I missed a bunch, but I ended up with 3 vet because they're kind of hard because all these, only difference is the very bottom. Ended up with 1 rookie purple parallel. And the 2 hits. Lucky, I think I feel pretty good with the autograph. Jersey's not that valuable there. But like I said, no foil and not enough parallels. I need some different parallels and even better, I don't know, the border or something like that. They should have like a red, white, and blue parallel. I do not think I got any of the winter parallels. I'll have to go back and look through them again. But probably not a buy if you cannot get the foil inserts and not enough parallels for me. You know, you're looking for the rookie parallels. Add a little more value to it, but kind of fun break. But that's it for this 2 blaster box of 2019-20 NBA Hoops Winter, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.